Hey guys, my name is Hari, Director of Product Marketing. When it comes to diagnostics, Augury is second to none. Our AI doesn't just detect vibration, it understands your machines and their operating context. And now, it's even smarter. Let's dive in. Today, I'm giving you a behind-the-scenes look at our new AI diagnostics improvements that we've been rolling out this year, so you can detect issues faster, reduce noise, and act with total confidence. The first update I want to talk about is automated machine health fault escalations. What if machine health could escalate urgent faults as it detects them to the site without a delay? I'm really excited to talk about this. It marks a huge breakthrough in our AI's ability to detect, diagnose, and issue fault cards on the spot. Our AI automatically detects and diagnoses bearing wear, rotational looseness, and temperature anomalies, updating the machine health index, issuing a fault card, and recommended actions, helping the team react to these issues as we detect them. This is rolling out in pilot form this month and will go broader in May. So keep an eye out. Not all machines run the same. Some cycle on and off. Some change speeds constantly as they process different types of loads. And some even run at really low speeds. That's why we've upgraded our sampling regime to adapt to each machine in context of its operating environment. With our new adaptive sampling regime, we can now select the right sampling method based on your machine's real-world behavior. Whether it's intermittent, low RPM, or changing speeds and loads, we can capture high-quality data to diagnose your machines effectively without needing you to lift a finger. For example, on machines that operate intermittently, we can now sample every 15 minutes. For low RPM machines that run between 150 to 300 RPM, we can now take longer samples more frequently. That enables us to diagnose these machines better by capturing more revolutions of the shaft. For machines that change speeds constantly due to changing loads and such, we now take a lot more data every hour that allows us to capture the steady portions of the non-steady state speed to accurately diagnose these machines. Ever heard a machine hit a bad note? That's resonance, and it can quietly damage your assets. Resonance is one of those strange anomalies that turn up only during a certain operational context of a machine. So it's really hard to catch, and it's really hard to spot the damage until it's too late. Our upgraded diagnostics now identifies resonance frequencies more precisely, helping you avoid running equipment in harmful speed ranges. We do this by releasing 3 specialized features designed for detecting resonance. The first is Resonance Detector Confidence, which is a calibrated confidence output of resonance detection over the last 90 days. The second feature is Resonance Critical Line Frequency, which correlates to periods of potential resonance amplification over the last 90 days or so. And the third is Resonance Duration, which is the percentage of time the machine has been operating at the suspected resonance critical frequency over the last 90 days. Put together, these 3 new features help our AI model detect and flag potential resonance issues to our analysts. You will now see operational guidance from our vibration analyst. Advice like, avoid running a machine between 1700 to 1800 RPM because that's the resonance frequency for your equipment on the line. Resonance detection is an advanced diagnostic tool we've had for years, but this release makes it more accurate, more visible, and more actionable to the operator on the line. Smarter sampling, faster detection and diagnostics, detecting and flagging resonance frequencies. These are the building blocks of a truly intelligent diagnostics platform. If you have any questions about what you saw today, drop a note to your Augury rep or ask a question in the comments below. Until next time, see ya!